Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to change your phone number link to your Microsoft account for two-step verification using Microsoft Authenticator. First step is to make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi or data, simply internet. You cannot change your phone number from Authenticator application, so you need to go to your browser, go to any browser, go to Google Chrome or Brave browser. After going here, simply click here, click the search button and simply type here security.microsoft.com. Simply click. After going here, sign into your account which you want to change the password. After going here, you will see this kind of interface. To change the phone number, simply tap on your profile at the top right corner and view account. It will take time, and after loading, you will see this option here. You can simply change password, organizations, and you can see the devices which you are connected. But I want to change my password, so simply go on security info, update info. After going here, this kind of interface you can see, and to change the phone number, simply click on your delete phone number and click on OK, and simply apply the new phone numbers. Enter the verification code sent to your new number to confirm done. This change is done through the Microsoft account setting, not inside the Microsoft Authenticator app. And that's how you change your phone number for Microsoft Authenticator. Keep your info up to date for smoother logins. If this helps, give it a like and stay tuned in for more videos, and see you in the next one.